integral of 0 to pi by 4 tan cube x plus tan x into dx. Zero to pi by 4. So listen. So the limits from 0 to pi by 4. We know that pi by 4 is 45 degree. Clear? So tan cube x plus tan x into dx. So 0 to pi by 4. First we have to simplify this. This tan cube x we can split, right? Tan x into tan square x plus tan x into dx. Next, one of the trigonometric formula, secant square theta minus tan square theta as 1. What about trigonometry? First formula means sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This is a very opening, very first formula. And then second formula, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Third formula, cosecant square theta minus, yes, first three problems, first three formulas of trigonometry, these patterns. Okay, so secant square theta, keep it as it is. You just replace 1 and tan square theta. So plus 1 will be replaced minus 1, and minus tan square theta will be replaced right hand side, means okay. Integral of 0 to pi by 4. This tan x, keep it as it is. Tan square x, tan square x. So tan square x, we just replace secant square x minus 1, right, into dx. Sorry, plus tan x into dx. Now 0 to pi by 4, you have to multiply this. So this is tan x secant square x. Tan x into minus 1, yes, we get minus tan x. Next step, plus tan x into dx. This is get cancelled, plus minus get cancelled. So the only remaining portion, 0 to pi by 4 tan x into secant square x into dx. So the next important type to solve using integration as substitution method. So yesterday classes le partial fraction pathama, okay va, adhe mari formula based ah paathom, integration by parts paathom. Okay, idhe mari next vandu like that substitution method. Engala substitution method use pannalam, adukku we know that differentiation தெரிஞ்சாதான் சப்ஸ்டிடியூஷன் எங்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ண முடியும்னு சொல்லி. இதுக்கு ஒரு ரிலேஷன்ஸ் இருக்குது டிஃபரன்ஷியேஷனில். தெரியல உங்களுக்கு? டிஃபரன்ஷியேஷன் ஆஃப் tan x வாட்? secant square x. அப்போது இது டிஃபரன்ஷியேஷன் வேல்யூ இங்கே இருக்குது. அப்போ இது சால்வ் பண்ணால் சப்ஸ்டிடியூஷன் மெத்தட். sin x into cos x, how to integrate? substitution method, because sin x differentiate பண்ணா cos x. இதெல்லாம் one of the tricky. இப்போ அந்த substitution methodக்கு we can take another variable t. So t we can take as a, what is it? Tan x. You have to differentiate with respect to x. Appo this is we get dt by dx, which is equal to, yes, differentiation of tan x as secant square x. Just to cross multiply dx, so we get dt equal to secant square x into dx. That's it. Okay va? Okay. Using substitution method, number one variable convert into another variable மாத்திட்டோம். Next important thing, limits change பண்ணணும். Very good. இப்போ limits with respect to x இருக்கு, but we can treat as t. அப்போ t க்கு மாற்றணும். இப்போ x is default limit, we have to change into t. இப்போ x க்கு starting limit, which means lower limit what? 0. x க்கு starting limit 0 and final limit வந்து pi by 4. இதை substitution apply பண்ணுங்க. x க்கு 0, tan 0. So what about tan 0 value? 0. t equal to 0. And another x value as pi by 4. To substitute tan pi by 4. Yes, very good. 1. Tan 45 we get 1. Okay. So in further, the new integral pattern with the limit of 0 to 1. Correct? T would limit from 0 to 1. Problem tan x. Tan x you can treat as t. Balance secant square x into dx. So secant square x into dx as, yes, very good, dt. Further to integrate, so this is t power 1. T power 1 integration as t power 2 divided by 2. Yes, t square divided by 2 with the limit 0 to 1. Apply upper limit. Yes, up 1 square is 1, so 1 by 2 minus lower limit, that is 0, and final we get 1 by 2. Understand?